Alright, so last night I posted a new attachment that I made for my Makita. Mine is the plug-in version, but I'm assuming that the cordless and the plug-in one are basically the exact same sizes. So I, on a 3D design program, made this little nozzle, including I got my two little notches on the side, so it should slide straight on the end of this, which it does. I've already tested that. I suppose if you needed to suck air out of something, it would work on the side too. Seems to fit fine, same sizes. So anyway, it's pretty cozy, especially the first time you do it, but I want it that way, so it'll be snug. Slide it in, slip it around. Seems secure. And now I haven't actually tested it to see how fast it inflates the 3-footers. So that's what I'm really interested in now. You see it slides on a 3-footer pretty nicely, I think. It slides in like 1.5 inches or so, and then as it tapers, it can form pretty good seal. So let's see what kind of speed we got here. So I feel like that's about as full as I'd want to inflate things, and I think that was about 30 seconds, but I think I inflated it a little more than I did on my big Legenda, and my big Legenda takes about 30 seconds. Like I say, I think I inflated a little bit less on that, so I am pretty pleased. And the beauty for me is I travel and speak, and I don't always want to haul the Legenda along because my other pump handles 160s and 260s better than big Legenda, which doesn't do so well with those. So with this, I can take my other pump for that, and then I can use my leaf blower, which I've already got along for tricks and stuff, for inflating my 3-footers when it's needed. So I'm happy. It's yet to see how tough this material is because I just did it in PLA, but it's possible I could print it in other materials or have somebody else print it in other materials. So there you go. I'm pleased. So y'all have a good day.